Did you know that some of the most successful investors rely heavily on dividends? It's a strategy that has been quietly building wealth for decades, often overlooked by those chasing the next big stock. These investors understand the power of consistent, reliable income that dividends provide. They know that while stock prices can be volatile, dividends offer a steady stream of income that can be reinvested to compound growth over time. That's right. Those quarterly payouts can be a game changer. Imagine receiving a portion of a company's profits just for holding their stock. This isn't just a small bonus. For many, it's a significant part of their investment returns. Over time, these payouts can add up, especially when reinvested, leading to exponential growth in your portfolio. Many folks think investing is all about picking the next hot stock. They spend countless hours researching, trying to time the market, and often end up disappointed. The truth is, the stock market can be unpredictable, and even the most seasoned investors can't always pick winners. This is where dividend investing shines, offering a more stable and predictable path to wealth. But there's a smarter, more consistent way to build wealth. By focusing on companies with a history of paying and increasing dividends, you can create a reliable income stream. These companies are often well-established, financially stable, and committed to returning value to their shareholders. This approach not only provides income but also reduces the risk associated with market volatility. It's called dividend investing, and it's like a money-making machine working quietly in the background. Every quarter, like clockwork, dividends are deposited into your account, providing a sense of financial security and freedom. This passive income can be used to cover expenses, reinvested for growth, or saved for future needs. But here's the kicker. Many people don't even know about dividend investing or think it's too complicated. They get overwhelmed by financial jargon and complex charts, missing out on this powerful wealth-building strategy. The good news is, it doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools and resources, anyone can start benefiting from dividends. That's where Robinhood comes in, making this powerful strategy accessible to everyone. With an easy-to-use platform and educational resources, Robinhood simplifies the process of finding and investing in dividend-paying stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Robinhood provides the tools you need to build a dividend portfolio. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets of passive income with Robinhood. Get ready to discover how you can create a steady stream of income, achieve financial freedom, and build lasting wealth through the power of dividends. Stay tuned and let's dive into the world of dividend investing together. Remember the old days of investing? Confusing jargon, high fees, and brokers who spoke a different language? Thankfully, those days are long gone. Robinhood has burst onto the scene, simplifying investing and empowering everyday people to take control of their finances. Robinhood's intuitive platform makes buying and selling stocks a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. But that's not all. Robinhood makes dividend investing a piece of cake, allowing you to effortlessly build a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. Say goodbye to complicated spreadsheets and hello to hassle-free passive income. Let's face it, the world of investing can feel overwhelming. The sheer volume of information, the constant market fluctuations, and the pressure to make the right decisions can leave anyone feeling lost and confused. Where do you even begin? The financial world is filled with jargon, complex charts, and endless streams of data. It's no wonder that many people feel paralyzed by the thought of diving into investing. Fear and lack of knowledge keep many people on the sidelines, missing out on incredible opportunities. The fear of losing money, the uncertainty of market movements, and the lack of understanding of how investments work can be daunting barriers. But it doesn't have to be this way. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can become a confident investor. Education is the key to unlocking the potential of the stock market and making informed decisions. Dividend investing provides a sense of stability and simplicity in the often turbulent sea of investing. Unlike other investment strategies that rely heavily on market timing and speculation, dividend investing focuses on long-term growth and income. With dividends, you're not just hoping for a stock price to go up. You're investing in companies that share their profits with shareholders, providing a steady stream of income regardless of market conditions. You're getting paid real cash simply for owning shares in a company. This can provide a cushion during market downturns and a reliable source of income over time. It's like getting a bonus check every quarter just for being a shareholder. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're earning money passively, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. By educating yourself about dividend investing, you can take control of your financial future. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to seminars and financial advisors, all designed to help you understand and succeed in the world of dividends. So don't let fear hold you back. Start your journey towards financial independence today by learning about dividend investing. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it can also be dividends. Section 4. Dividend Deep Dive. Unlocking the secrets to passive income. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of dividend investing, a strategy that has helped countless investors build wealth over time. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding dividends can be a game changer for your financial future. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive deeper into the mechanics of dividend investing. Remember, knowledge is power. By grasping the fundamentals, you can make informed decisions that will set you on the path to financial independence. So what exactly are dividends, and how can they work for you? When you buy shares of a company that pays dividends, you're entitled to a portion of its profits. This means that as the company earns money, part of those earnings is distributed to shareholders like you. It's a way for companies to reward their investors and share their success. This payout is typically distributed quarterly and is known as a dividend. Companies usually announce their dividend payments in advance so you know when to expect them. These regular payments can provide a steady stream of income, which is especially beneficial for those looking to supplement their earnings or build a retirement fund. The beauty of dividend investing lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. By focusing on companies with a strong track record of paying dividends, you can build a portfolio that generates passive income with minimal effort. It's a strategy that can be tailored to fit your financial goals and risk tolerance. You pick solid companies with a history of paying dividends, and these companies are often well-established and financially stable. They have a proven track record of profitability and a commitment to returning value to their shareholders. This makes them a reliable choice for long-term investment. Buy their stock through Robinhood or any other brokerage platform that you prefer. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone. With just a few clicks, you can become a shareholder and start earning dividends, and watch your passive income stream grow over time. As you reinvest your dividends and continue to add to your portfolio, your income can compound, leading to even greater returns. This compounding effect is one of the most powerful aspects of dividend investing. It's like planting a money tree and watching it flourish. With patience and consistency, you can cultivate a source of income that grows and supports you financially. So start your dividend investing journey today and unlock the secrets to passive income. Section 5. From Side Hustle to Financial Freedom, John's Robinhood Dividend Journey. Meet John, a regular guy who decided to take charge of his financial future. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck, John stumbled upon dividend investing on Robinhood and decided to give it a shot. John started small, investing a few $100s every month in dividend-paying stocks through Robinhood. He reinvested his dividends, buying more shares and accelerating his progress. Fast forward 5 years, and John's portfolio generates a significant passive income stream, allowing him to achieve financial freedom. Section 6. The Robinhood Advantage. Soaring to new financial heights with dividends. Robinhood provides the perfect platform for both novice and seasoned investors to harness the power of dividends. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with zero-commission trading, makes it incredibly easy to buy and manage your dividend-paying stocks. With Robinhood, you can track your dividend income, reinvest your earnings with a single click, and even set up automatic investments. The app empowers you to become a dividend investing pro, putting you in the driver's seat of your financial future. Section 7. Join the dividend revolution. Share your thoughts. So there you have it. Dividend investing with Robinhood offers a powerful and accessible way to generate passive income and achieve your financial goals. It's time to stop dreaming and start investing. What are your thoughts on dividend investing? Have you tried Robinhood? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and unlock the full potential of passive income together. Stay tuned for more investing tips and tricks in our upcoming articles.